This is unacceptable. I can't have this. Another morning, 6:30 in the morning. I'm up since 6:30. For those of you who follow me, I did a video about a woodpecker that's been pecking on our roof, waking us up every morning. We thought the pipes were backing up because he was pecking on the stack that's connected to the furnace. We called the plumber. He said everything's fine. Then I Googled it because Lucy was arguing. She's always listened to your wife. She said it's a woodpecker. I said it's not a woodpecker, but I listened to the sound. If you watch the previous video, just scroll on my page or go to my YouTube channel. It's there. Long story short, I put a mirror up there. I read that birds, they don't like their reflection. I don't want to shoot the thing with a BB gun. I love animals, so I called the exterminator. I couldn't take it anymore. So he came up with this. So the woodpecker is still pecking. So we called the exterminator. Unbelievable. Fucking woodpecker waking us up every morning at 6:30. How does he know it's 6:30? I don't want to shoot the thing with a BB gun. I love animals, but this is unacceptable. I can't have this. I gotta get my sleep. I can't have it. He's gotta go home. So he's putting a reflective spinning thingy. God bless this guy. I can't stand heights. Hopefully this will work. He said the woodpecker, when he does that, it's like a mating ritual. That's what I should do when I have sex with Lucy, go on the roof. But I don't have a woodpecker. All these trees that I planted, okay? He's got to go peck on the roof at 6:30. Check this out. They made a nest up here in my canopy. All the trees over there, they got to do their shit on the house and the canopy. I want to go shit in their nests and piss in their bird feed. And they shit everywhere. Look at that. All over the place. I got to come out with the hose every morning. Look at this shit. Look at this shit all over the place. All right. Let's see if this works. The woodpecker saga to be continued.